Hello and welcome. My name is Ana Chaparro Arias. I'm a student of foreign languages, and this is a video for the Professor Jonathan Vasquez. Today I'm going to speak about the consonant sound. Okay, this group of consonant sound is composed of 5 groups: nasals, plosives, fricatives, affricatives, and approximants. Okay, I'm going to explain each one of them, each phoneme, and then I'm going to say one example for each phoneme. First, nasals consist of 3 phonemes: ing, ing. The sound is a little more difficult, but it's like the combination between N and G. Like when you put together these two words, the sound. For this one, examples is many, many, never, and zing. You hear that? Zing. Okay, that is the sound. Ng, zing. The second group, plosive. Okay, consists of 6 phonemes. I'm going to divide it in groups because there is a sound, sounds that sound similar, but it's not the same. It's just similar. For that, I'm going to divide in some groups like p, p, and b, b. For this, push, pop, and ball, and bush. Next, and the, tell, town, and though, and down. Okay, and next, g, g, curl, and cut, and got, and got. The third group, fricatives. Okay, consists of 9 phonemes. First, and v. For this, fat and fork. And for this, van and vest. Next, and z. Price and prize. Next this is just that sound, and then this is the only that have a name, is data. It's like, and this think, and this final ones, sh and z, sh and z. Mission and vision, mission and vision. The fourth group, called affricatives, is an interesting group because the sound are formed by the combination between a nasal sound plus a plosive sound. This group consists of only 2 sounds, this and this. For the first one, like you can see, the first sound is t, t, and the other sound is like sh, sh. But the most dominant sound is sh. For that, the sound is sh, sh. Some examples are share, washed, and lecture. And the other sound, j, j, like you can see, the first sound is d, d, and the other d, j, j. But the mouth domination sound is j. For that, the sound is j, j, j. Some examples are job, ginger, gem, and suggest. Okay, and the final group, approximants. Okay, this group consists of 4 phonemes. I'm going to divide in 2 groups. The first one, R, E, and U. And the other group is only one phoneme, this, R. Why? Because the first group, for do this sound, we put the tone in a central way, like all the time it's in the central. But for do the other sound, this sound, the tone is in one side on the mouth, like oh. First group, some examples are reply and radical. For this, is similar to lowercase I, like don't say like e, this like more like it. Some examples are young and useful. And the last one, this is oop. This similar to lowercase u, is same long sound in a circle way, but this is going to be more like oop. Examples are wet, wood, worse, and word. And the other group, this phoneme, for do this sound, you put your thumb back or all back and do like on the one side of the mouth. Okay, and some examples are last, later, problem, and people. Okay, and that was all for this video of consonant sound. Something very important that I want to clarify is for can do all these sounds, you have to know what is a voiceless and a voice sound. Okay, a voiceless sound is when you do the sound but without vibration or without effort in your throat. You put your hand in the throat and the vocal cord doesn't vibrate, like the sound is produced but the throat don't vibrate. And a voice sound, the throat vibrate, the vocal cord vibrate, and the sound is with more effort. Okay, like b, with effort. So with attention, some sounds are produced with more effort, more vibration. If you do well these sounds or these phonies, this doesn't vibrate and this vibrate. And that's all. Bye.